Hey, hi, hello. I got a project today. I'm gonna install this subwoofer box with those 8-inch 3-tone 600 watts RMS power subwoofers. The model number is SX8D2, and I have 3-tone monoblock amplifier NS12001 monoblock amplifier here, LC2Y Pro, this box. That's the thing I will use for to get the signal from the speakers to the amplifier. And let's start. There are 2 coils, dual voice coil, so I'm putting them in a parallel mode, and I will hook them here, hook them there. The whole box is going to car, and I'm still waiting for some parts from Amazon. They said that they're gonna be delivered today. I hope it's gonna be here soon. So here under the driver's seat, it's ANC, sorry, automatic noise control or cancel unit here, and I need to bypass it, because if I don't bypass it, that's gonna be craziness for the speakers and everything. In the same time, when the speakers are working and the unit is on, it's better to cancel it. So I bought this, which is really good because it has the speakers out. So that's gonna be my audio input for the LC2I Pro. And here you can see speaker inputs, so I will just plug it here, put 12 volts and ground here, and I will have a bass output on this side. I will not use the main output because I don't have the amplifier for the three-way speaker or coaxial speakers. I just want to use the bass output. So from here I will do 2 RCAs to my amplifier. So this subwoofer, it's done. This one is ready to go. What I did, I made this wire diagram, and you can see I have one connection here, and now it's my positive and my negative side. From here to the terminals, that's gonna be in terminals inside here, as you can see. So we will put it in. We probably need all the hands. And right, so we did small modification because the wires were too short. So now I'm gonna reach the terminals inside. Wish me luck. Alright, so box with 2 subwoofers, 8-inch each. It's ready. I set the amplifier on the top of it. Actually it's on the side because it's gonna be laying on this side in a car. Speakers are connected from there to here. And Now I will wait till Amazon shipment comes, and I can install the power for a amplifier. I need 12 volts from battery. I can make a ground from the screws that's holding seats on a place, and yeah, that's it for now. Hi everybody, I'm back in my truck, and we will continue the subwoofer installation. Just a small heads up what we did already. I have all the wiring done. I was waiting for the package from Amazon with a 2.5 farad capacitor and this thick battery wire, and came yesterday, so I will play with all these things and install them. I have already the box installed here. It's like this. It's a big guy. They said that it fits in a 2020 plus 1500 RAM with a quad cap. That's what I have, and I don't see any fitments for it, but it's there. I'm not using the back seats, so I'm kind of okay with whatever is it. But I thought that it's gonna be like nicely cut in these places, so it can fit under the seat, so it's not sticking this much, and you can still put your legs in front of it, so you can sit with the box here. But now it's impossible. So this is box from the second side. I use LC2Y Pro for the audio. I bought the ANC, which is noise control bypass, and I use the speaker output to make it the input for a subwoofer. And I have small Triton NS12001 subwoofer here. It's a monoblock subwoofer amplifier, and on the box I installed two 8 inches Triton 600 watts RMS subwoofers. They are 2 ohms with dual voice call, and this is pretty it. So I will put the capacitor on this side of the subwoofer, so if I need, I just unplug the power and I can take the whole box out if I need to carry more than 2 people in a car. Now I need to pull, that was just my testing wiring, I need to pull a wire from the battery positive terminal through the driver's seat to here. So that's the project for today. So my positive terminal wire went through to the cabin. I use this loop and kind of like a fishing stick, that's how we call it. That's this one, the white thing. And I went actually where the other cables go inside the cabin. It's right there. The yellow stuff is the loop thing. I will actually leave it there, clean it after I finish, because I don't know how much more this beautiful gauge 4 power wire I will need. I will connect it to this terminal. So yeah, I'm here. As you can see here, going from there, and I will hide everything nicely under this plastic and the carpet, and I will go all the way here. All set, all done. I'm playing the free music what I paid on my Melody account. So this is free music for YouTube. This is free. I got the license. And you can feel and you can hear the nice music. You got Audi R8 coming, airplane coming. Nice, too calm. It's loud. Here is the connection. And connection here at the battery. I use this. I have the inline fuse, and it's pretty easy job. Couple hours and you are done. I start the car because capacitor needs some power. So now you can see it's working. 14.1 volts. I have grounding bars here and there. Line distributor for the 12 volts. This one is for the LC2. This is for the amp. This is for capacitor. And LC2Y Pro, it's there. It was working perfectly. So I'm happy. Only what is my concern is like why this box doesn't fit all the way under the seats. That's it. So this is wrap for today's video, and thank you for watching. If you find it interesting, give me a like, give me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you soon.